What if I told you this bird walks on water? Literally. Meet the African Jacana, the miracle walker of the wetlands. Those massive feet aren't just weird. They're designed to keep it from sinking. This bird doesn't fly much. It prefers to tiptoe across lakes like a feathered ninja. But here's the craziest part. It's the male who raises the chicks. The female, she mates, then leaves the male with the eggs. This bird doesn't just walk on water. It flips the rules of parenting too. If this blew your mind, subscribe before someone tells you it's CGI.